Well, let's see how he reacts with this lovely little toy. He's inside the tunnel at the moment.
Ultimately, that child saved their marriage. So,
a little bit of a tease. He goes absolutely frickin' berserk. Oh, he got it. Now, it's very hard to get it back. Oh, gee. Hang on.
Absolutely, of course. See, Trav, this is why I'm glad you're home, because without you, I too am an island.
Right, he's gone back in.
On all sides, which is what an island is. You dummies. No need to call it. Seems a little harsh. You spent 30 pennies in a can. I bet none of you read a book in the last 6 months. I just finished a book.
The instruction manual for margarita machine.
Wait. This is Cage Turner. For a while there, I didn't know where to put the ice. Good God.
So, are you with someone? Or Lori.
Or Lori? I haven't been called that since grade school. I used to have to trade kisses for milk money. Oh, hell no! You are a dead man!
Be cool, it's my ball. Thank you.
He's waiting for another one, but man, I don't know where it is.
Trunk. Really? Right to disposing of the body?
Gotcha, bitches!
And man, I've been attacked so many times I don't want to put my fingers near it, because man, yeah, there he goes. Just about to get my hand in there.
Some of us represented at the pre-No More Alimony Party party, so I've brimmed these margaritas with crushed up aspen. We should market this to drunks. Or us. Anyway.
Oh, there it is. Now see if you can see the last move in a minute. Or not. Oh, what a character. He loves it.
Thanks for taking care of Bobby's wine friend.
That makes a real sacrifice. I want your throat, I'm gonna kiss my mouth. Dog style.
Get ready to bet. Who's a good boy?
You're a fun little dude.
What kind of sacrifices?
You got this health insurance.
It's health insurance.
Can I get it? Just let me get it. Yeah.
It's one supersized comedy hit.
Excuse me, man. Are you wearing bombs?
Of course I'm wearing Okay.
Your Sunday premiere movie, Norbert. 8:30 Sunday, TV2.
15 kilos of grease and food passes through a dishwasher, potentially clogging vital parts. For flawless results, Finish Dishwasher Cleaner has a unique dual layer formula. The blue layer targets grease.
Pretending not to pay any attention. Pretend I'm sniffing over here.
Finish the diamond standard. And to keep your dishwasher smelling fresh and clean, Finish Freshener continually releases a burst of fresh fragrance. Finish Freshener.
Now here's a new chapter. With Vodafone, you can upgrade your Sky subscription to My Sky HDI for free on selected home broadband plans. Now with half-price My Sky HDI installation of just $49. Who'd have thought?